welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrap and Scraps channel, family. I'm on my way out because I have some more Christmas shopping to do that I really don't want to do because I'm tired and don't really want to be outside. I'd rather be in the bed, cuddle up, and doing nothing, but I gotta do that. Finish cleaning up the house and all that jazz. But I thought I would come in and show you guys my, how they say, outfit of the day, okay? Today's Michael Kors day. So we've got the Michael Kors earrings here. So we've got the Michael Kors earrings, just a little necklace there, the Michael Kors scarf, little jacket, underneath it's just a shirt, some tights, got some Michael Kors boots, the Michael Kors bracelet, what else? My ring, that's not Michael Kors, just a ring, and the Michael Kors purse. I did do this. I did show this purse in one of my purse haul videos for Michael Kors. So that is what we're doing today. I got around to wrapping most of the gifts. I had to stack them so that they wouldn't just be all over the place. So that's some of them. I still have some more I need to wrap. Again, if you haven't seen the tree, that is the Christmas tree this year. We went with red, and I forgot what the name of these birds are again, but nonetheless, we went with them. You guys see this little bulb here? This little, what is it, like a pearl? I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna make a whole lot for next year to go with my tree. Holiday flavors, yes. I thought I would share with you guys real quick this little mug. Now, this is not a review because I just picked it up, but I recall something like this being out about a year or so ago when I first noticed them. I'm sure they've been out longer than that. I'm always late to the game, but I really, for those of you who like tea, coffees, all that jazz, right? I love tea. I love coffee, but I probably reheat my cup minimum 10 times a day, minimum, okay? Because I never finish the cup. Because it gets cold. I put it down and forget. So I picked up something that hopefully will help me with that. Check it out. So I picked up the Ion mug. The Ion mug. It has a charging coaster, okay? So supposedly, we're gonna open it together. I guess this can be an unboxing. Okay, so you can have the LED temperature indicator, 2 to 3 hours of heating performance, off coaster, 304 stainless steel, combined with smooth and warming ABS material. Easy cleaning by flow of water. Mug recharges when placed on charger coaster. So let's open it up and see what we got. By the way, I got this from Walmart just in case you want to run out and gather one for someone that you love and or care about. So we're gonna open it up and check it out. And I'm gonna use it right now. I am, excuse my greasiness. I've been running around picking up kids, buying gifts and shopping. All right, you guys, I had to let it charge up overnight. Not because it took overnight, but it probably takes maybe 2 hours to charge. And then it lasts for 2 to 3 hours. So I decided to leave it here overnight and then make my coffee this morning. And I've done that, and it's been about an hour and a half, and it's still hot. It's still piping hot. So that is great. The lid doesn't stay on too great. See that? It has like a little suction at the bottom of it, but it doesn't stay on. So that's a no-go, but really, honestly, I don't use a lid anyway, so I don't really mind that, but you might if you use a lid. So just be aware of that, okay? So that is the coffee mug, you guys. Let me turn it back on. As you can see, it's beeping at 145, letting you know that's the temperature. All right, you guys. Yeah, this is the craft room. Hot mess, hot mess right now. But I thought that I would bring y'all along with me in the cleanup. It's Christmas time. I'm still actually wrapping gifts, so I'm assuming you'll see some of that too. but this has been like the catch-all room for the last couple of weeks. So it's looking a little bit crazy, as you can see. I mean, we had gifts everywhere. Okay. Now, I already wrapped the adults' presents aside from Honey's. Honey's is over there. But all this presents made its way around the room. Yep. All that presents. And I got to get to wrapping everywhere. And I had some projects I had to do, so I had to pull things out, which, of course, just made it look even more crazier. So, my good friends, you're going to help me clean up, or at least keep me company, and I appreciate it. Oh, here's my doodle for yesterday. I just need to color it in, but there she is. All right, and there's Dea with makeup on her face. Let me see your makeup. Let me see how pretty you look. Oh wow, look at you. Okay, all right. You want to show your picture? That's how she looks when she's dressed. Okay, thank you. So let's get started, y'all. Scarf I wore with my purse today. But look at how good that goes. Isn't that pretty scarf, isn't it? Goes good with my purse. All right, you guys. So the next day I had to go into the doctor at this really nice mall. So I thought I would share some footage with you guys of how beautiful the coral pond was, And they had a cute little coffee shop that was just immensely adorable. Now, I did not want to get out in the rain, of course, but again, you guys know I've been waiting for some results, and I am happy to say that I am not dealing with cancer, thank God. So they did some more tests. They do want me to come back in 3 months to make sure that the growth is not growing anymore, but they're saying at this time it is not cancerous, and they're just going to watch it to make sure that it doesn't turn into some type of rare cancer. Oh, Lord. So, you guys, I thought I would end this video with us opening our gifts for Christmas. I hope all of you had a wonderful Christmas as well. We had a blast. This Christmas, I really enjoyed shopping for my family. And I love giving things. I'm super impatient. It's hard for me to wait until the actual day. But everyone liked what they got. I love all the things that I got. And it was a great day. So, you guys, until New Year's Eve, remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Remember to stay loving you, because you can't love anyone else if you don't love you. Remember to stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.